Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on Safari. So I will just tap on it on Safari browser and you will be on just logged in your account simply and simply just move in the top right corner is the three lines of settings. Scroll down and just get in settings and privacy. Again tap on it settings and here you will see the account center meta. I will just tap on it. So when it's completely load, so simply you'll be just scroll down and just finding the personal details, and here is the option last account ownership and control. So you will just tap on it, and here is the second option is deactivation or deletion. So temporarily deactivated or permanently deleted your account and profile. So I'll be just tap on it and just selected your profile. So these are the terms and condition. If you want to deactivate means that the temporary delete and you will be get back easily, and the permanent deleted here you will see. And if you want to delete this permanently, so just select it and just tap on it continue. So in this way you will just have to delete Facebook account on Safari. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.